what's good? It's your boy Official.jjgreen, and today I'm back with another video. Today we about to take old Miss Pretty Lady to get tinted. So right now I'm filling up the tank with some gas, and then I gotta slide to my dad's job, and then I'm gonna head straight to the tint shop. But I'm gonna catch up with y'all on the road when I'm on the way to the tint shop. So So I just made it inside the tint shop. I got one car ahead of me, so when he start the process, I'm gonna get up with y'all.
Right now, pull my big one on these hoes, damn. I'm not acrobatic, I'm not flipping on my bros, no. All my shit be factual, I cannot get exposed, yeah. I'm talking stick, I catch a bitch before I catch a cold.